दिल से तो हम अच्छे हैं। तुम कैसे हो? हालात बहुत बुरे हैं। क्यों? इंसान बहुत डरा हुआ है। हम लोग जो बीमार हो गए हैं। तो फिर बस चीज़ों को समझो। हमारी तो वैसे भी मौत है, वैसे भी मौत है। करें क्या? करना तो इंसान को है। हम क्या कर सकते हैं? इलाज हो तो भी मरेंगे, ना हो तो भी मरेंगे। इंसान हमें तो अंदर से जाने है, खुद को नहीं जानता।
What is bird flu? Avian or bird flu is a highly contagious viral disease caused by influenza type A viruses that affects poultry. It was first detected in 1996 in geese in China. सबको चाइना से शुरू होता है. Infected birds are culled. To contain the spread, bird flu फैल चुका है हिमाचल प्रदेश, राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, केरला, हरियाणा, झारखंड, गुजरात. How does it spread? Migratory aquatic birds are carriers of influenza A viruses and shed it in their droppings. This is how it spreads to other birds and occasionally to mammals also, such as pigs, horses, cats and dogs. 1997 से अब तक 50 कंट्रीज में ये बर्ड फ्लू फैल चुका है. इसी को HPA1, H5N1 भी कहते हैं. When did it begin affecting humans? 1997, the first case of human infection was detected in Hong Kong. This was deadly H5N1 strain of the virus. Subsequently, several other strains of the virus such as H5N2 and H9N2 spread from animals to humans. Very important thing for you all to understand, people in close contact with infected livestock or dead birds are at risk from the virus. According to WHO, the virus is sensitive to heat and does not spread from people to people or from well-cooked food. Bird flu in India. In 2006, India recorded the first major outbreak in Maharashtra and Gujarat. In 2008 to 14, outbreaks were reported in West Bengal and Kerala respectively. Between 2006 to 2015, India reported 25 episodes of H5N1 bird flu in poultry. In 15 states, there have been no cases of human infection so far, and again this year. Dangers of bird flu. Around 6 out of 10 confirmed cases of H5N1 among humans have led to deaths, though the actual mortality rate may be lower due to underreporting of asymptomatic cases. If the virus mutates and becomes easily transmissible, as it is quite common in viruses, flu viruses, as you have experienced in 2020 of COVID-19, then this is going to be another pandemic. Symptoms, treatment, and precautions for H1N1. So, the cough, fever, sore throat, muscle aches, headache, shortness of breath. Signs and symptoms of bird flu may begin with 2 to 7 days of infection, depending on the type. In most cases, they resemble those of conventional influenza, including whatever I told you. Some people also experience nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea, and in a few cases, a mild eye infection. Conjunctivitis type. Complications are serious. People with bird flu may develop life-threatening complications including of pneumonia, pink eye, respiratory failure, kidney dysfunction, heart problems, etc. If you can't avoid, wash eggshells in soapy water before you crack or cook them. If preparing food, keep raw meat away from other foods. After touching raw poultry or eggs, make sure to wash your hands and all surfaces, dishes and utensils thoroughly with soap and water. Wash your hands often with soap and water. You must be experienced by now. There is no vaccine for bird flu. Plus, it is important to know that the regular influenza vaccine does not provide protection against avian influenza और बर्ड फ्लू. अपनी रक्षा अपने हाथ में ही है. सो बी अलर्ट, बी सिक्योर्ड. ऑल द बेस्ट.